connect the Shopify store to Warehance, go to the left-hand side menu on Warehance and go down to Stores. And then from here, click on Connect on the Shopify platform. And I have a demo store over here that is all set up with products and orders, so we can see it import. So go ahead and find this little section here. This is the beginning of your MyShopify URL. If you don't know how to find it, go ahead and look it up, or in your admin dashboard up here in the URL bar, you can find it after the / after store. So mine is Warehance demo. I'm gonna go ahead and copy that, bring it over to the My Shopify shop URL, warehancedemo.myshopify.com. Make sure you have this myshopify.com on the end of your URL and press Connect Store. And it's going to redirect you, and you're going to install the app and give it access to what it needs. And then you're going to come back and you're going to select a client. In this case, I will do culinary cutlery and press Connect Store. And now you have connected the store. This is the Warehance demo store that I just connected. Now I'm on the products page, and if I scroll to the end, I can see the most recently added products, and these are the products from the store that I just imported. And now if I go to orders, I should be able to see the most recently imported orders from the Warehance demo store. And if I go and click into that, I can see the order information popping up here.